It all begins with sand. Part E, the foundation of every silicon chip. Only the purest quartz is used for silicon chip production. Raw materials are transported for silicon chip refinement.
Extreme heat transforms sand into silicon for silicon chip. Impurities are removed to create ultra-pure silicon chip material.
The deposition rate on Sector 3 is fluctuating.
It's within the acceptable parameters, but we should monitor the temperature delta.
Refined silicon is shaped for silicon chip manufacturing. The process now moves into crystal growth for silicon chip. Ultra-pure silicon begins its transformation into a silicon chip crystal. Silicon is melted to extreme temperatures for silicon chip formation. A seed crystal begins growing a perfect silicon chip structure. A single crystal ingot forms, the core of every silicon chip. Exact control ensures flawless silicon chip crystal structure. Engineers supervise every stage of silicon chip crystal growth. The completed crystal ingot is ready for slicing into silicon chip wafers. The process now moves into wafer production for silicon chip.
The crystal ingot is sliced into thin wafers for silicon chip manufacturing.
These wafers form the base of every silicon chip. Polishing creates a flawless surface for silicon chip circuits. Each silicon chip wafer is cleaned to atomic level purity. Automation ensures precision in silicon chip processing.
The wafer is now ready for circuit creation in the silicon chip.
The process now moves into photolithography for silicon chip.
Now, circuits are printed onto the silicon chip wafer.
Light transfers microscopic circuit designs onto the silicon chip.
A light-sensitive layer prepares the silicon chip for patterning. Billions of tiny structures form on each silicon chip. The hidden design of the silicon chip is revealed. Automation ensures flawless silicon chip production. The process now moves into etching and doping of the silicon chip. The silicon chip begins the etching process. Plasma precisely carves circuits into the silicon chip. Microscopic pathways define the silicon chip architecture.
Doping alters the electrical behavior of the silicon chip.
Atoms are precisely embedded into the silicon chip. Billions of transistors power each silicon chip.
The process now moves into packaging the silicon chip.
The silicon chip wafer is divided into individual chips. Each silicon chip is now a standalone unit. Robotics position each silicon chip with precision.
The silicon chip is sealed for protection and durability. Microscopic wires connect the silicon chip to its package.
Each silicon chip undergoes final inspection.
Look at the aberration right here on sector 7.
The resistance levels match the schematic error.
We need to isolate this segment immediately.
The process now moves into integration of the silicon chip.
The silicon chip is integrated into electronic systems.
Automation embeds the silicon chip into modern technology.
Every smartphone relies on a powerful silicon chip.
Computers are powered by advanced silicon chip systems. Data centers run on countless silicon chip processors. Supercomputers push the limits of silicon chip performance.
Every silicon chip is tested in real-world systems.
The process now moves into global deployment of the silicon chip.
The silicon chip connects the entire world. Entire cities run on silicon chip intelligence. Even space exploration depends on the silicon chip. From sand to supercomputers, the silicon chip powers the future.